The Nirbhik Submarine 2025 represents a bold leap in underwater warfare, signaling the evolution of stealth, power, and endurance for next-generation naval forces. As nations race to assert dominance beneath the oceans, the Nirbhik stands as a formidable symbol of advanced engineering and strategic deterrence. Developed with cutting-edge technologies by an international consortium, the Nirbhik is not just a platform for warfare, it is a declaration of maritime control. Unlike traditional nuclear-powered submarines of previous decades, the 2025 Nirbhik was designed with modular versatility in mind. Its hull, composed of ultra-light, reinforced composite alloys, combines durability with reduced sonar cross-section, making detection by enemy radar nearly impossible. Every component, from propulsion to navigation, is built with the principles of stealth-first engagement and maximum efficiency. Powered by a hybrid propulsion system, the Nirbhik integrates nuclear propulsion with advanced air-independent propulsion (AIP) technology. This enables it to remain submerged for up to 140 days without surfacing, a feat unmatched by most attack submarines in active service. The nuclear reactor, built for quiet operations, emits near-zero acoustic signature. Alongside, the AIP system based on fuel cell innovation provides extended endurance for silent patrolling and covert intelligence gathering in contested waters. One of Nirbhik's core strengths lies in its combat management system. Equipped with the latest AI-driven threat detection algorithms, the submarine can autonomously analyze underwater anomalies, detect hostile targets, and suggest firing solutions to its operators. The sensor suite includes towed sonar arrays, flank sonars, and low-frequency passive sonar arrays, all working in unison to detect threats from long distances. Satellite-linked periscopes allow the crew to maintain communication with headquarters without compromising their position, an advancement critical in high-risk reconnaissance missions. Its weapons loadout further confirms the Nirbhik's reputation as a war machine. The submarine carries 16 Vertical Launch System (VLS) cells capable of firing long-range cruise missiles and anti-ship weapons. In addition, it is equipped with 6 533mm torpedo tubes, housing heavyweight torpedoes, tactical nuclear warheads, and smart underwater mines. What distinguishes the Nirbhik is its integration with drone systems. It has a dedicated UAV and UUV unmanned underwater vehicle bay, allowing for real-time surveillance, anti-mine operations, and decoy deployment. The interior of the submarine reflects a balance between high technology and crew welfare. Space optimization ensures that the crew of 60 can live and operate efficiently over long periods. With automated systems handling routine diagnostics, human error is drastically minimized. Moreover, augmented reality (AR) displays provide real-time data overlays for navigation and combat operations, reducing the decision-making burden on commanders. Strategically, the Nirbhik plays a vital role in blue water operations and nuclear second strike capabilities. Its ability to carry and launch submarine-launched ballistic missiles (SLBMs) adds a layer of strategic deterrence. The submarine's presence in any maritime region forces adversaries to think twice, knowing that retaliation could be swift, silent, and decisive. With the capacity to remain hidden under polar ice caps, patrol deep oceanic trenches, or strike high-value coastal targets, the Nirbhik's sphere of influence spans continents. The 2025 version of the Nirbhik also introduces a cybersecurity-enhanced operating system. Recognizing the growing threat of cyber warfare, the submarine is hardened against electronic attacks, with multi-layered encryption, decentralized AI oversight, and onboard EMP protection. Communication channels use quantum cryptography, ensuring zero latency, unhackable exchanges between command and submarine, even in hostile environments. Additionally, the submarine's energy-efficient design reflects a growing commitment to sustainability within military architecture. Waste heat recovery systems, air purification modules, and water recycling make it one of the greenest submarines in service, despite its power output. This focus also reduces detectability by thermal sensors and increases mission time without resupply. The Nirbhik's deployment strategy includes rapid response scenarios, such as supporting amphibious assaults, special forces insertions, and counter-submarine warfare. Its compatibility with allied navies allows it to integrate seamlessly into joint operations under multinational coalitions. Its adaptable design means that future upgrades, such as laser defense systems, hypersonic missiles, or AI co-pilots, can be implemented without significant overhaul. During naval exercises in early 2025, the Nirbhik demonstrated unmatched performance. In simulated combat drills, it successfully evaded detection from 6 adversary vessels while neutralizing surface and subsurface threats. These drills included anti-access area denial (A2AD) scenarios, stealth landings, and contested chokepoint traversal. International observers were reportedly impressed with its ability to penetrate heavily defended enemy formations without being spotted. Designed by a collaboration of naval experts and defense contractors, the Nirbhik's construction showcases global cooperation. However, its software architecture remains tightly guarded, hinting at national interests in classified operations. Its manufacturing yard remains under strict secrecy, and every Nirbhik crew member undergoes specialized cyber-psychological conditioning to handle high-stress, data-intensive missions. The psychological impact of the Nirbhik is also worth noting. Naval strategists argue that its mere rumored presence in a region shifts the balance of power. Enemy fleets are forced to expend vast resources on anti-submarine warfare, diverting attention and firepower from other fronts. Meanwhile, the Nirbhik can loiter silently in strategic locations, gathering data or lying in wait for the perfect moment to strike. On the humanitarian front, the Nirbhik has also been used in rescue operations. In early 2025, it played a critical role in locating and supporting a distressed civilian submersible in the Indian Ocean. Its advanced sonar and remotely operated vehicle (ROV) capabilities were instrumental in saving lives. This operation underscored its versatility, not just as a weapon of war, but also as a guardian of the deep. Moreover, the Nirbhik plays a role in undersea cable protection. In an era where communication infrastructure is vulnerable to sabotage, the submarine can patrol and defend undersea data lines vital to global internet and trade. Its precision navigation and mapping systems allow it to monitor and repair cables if required. The Nirbhik class is expected to be the foundation for future stealth vessels. Its technology stack will influence the design of underwater research platforms, luxury submersibles, and even space exploration modules. The architecture promotes modularity, making